The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider. A gaming beast that lives up to its name. Are you tired of mediocre gaming PCs that leave you feeling like you're stuck in neutral? Well, buckle up because I've got some exciting news for you. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider just landed on my desk, and it's about to take your gaming experience to the next level. First off, let me tell you what sets this beast apart from the rest. Its stunning 18-inch UHD Plus display is not only gorgeous but also boasts a massive 120Hz refresh rate. What does that mean for you? It means smoother, more responsive gameplay, with less screen tearing and motion blur. Imagine gaming on a console minus the console prices. That's what this display delivers. But the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider isn't just about looks. It's also packed with some serious hardware firepower. Take its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, for example. This isn't your grandfather's GPU. It's a cutting-edge monster that can handle even the most demanding games at ultra-high resolutions and frame rates. And with 16 GB of GDDR5 memory, you'll never have to worry about running out of room for your game's graphical goodies. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about performance? Well, let me tell you, this PC delivers. Its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor is a powerhouse of 24 cores and 36 MB of cache memory, making it perfect for anything from content creation to gaming. And with up to 5.5 GHz boost clocks, you'll be able to tackle even the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. But storage isn't just about raw speed. It's also about capacity. That's why I'm impressed by the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider's massive 4 TB hard drive. Not only does that give you plenty of room for your files and games, but it also means you can swap between multiple storage drives with ease. Perfect for those who want to keep their content organized. And then there's networking, a crucial aspect of any gaming PC. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider comes equipped with not one, but two 2.5 GBE LAN ports and a killer Wi-Fi 7B 1750 wireless adapter that'll keep you connected even when you're on the go. And let's not forget about Bluetooth 5.4, which gives you seamless connectivity to your devices. But what really gets me excited is the operating system. Microsoft Windows 11 Home. This is an OS that understands gamers. With its streamlined interface and optimized performance, you'll be able to jump into your favorite game in no time. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about warranty and support? Well, let me tell you, the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider comes with a comprehensive 1-year warranty from MSI USA, as well as lifetime tech support from EXCaliberPC. That's peace of mind, folks. So there you have it. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider is not just a PC. It's an experience. It's a beast that'll take your gaming to new heights and deliver unparalleled performance and power. And with its impressive specs and feature set, I've got no doubt this PC will leave you feeling like a gaming champion. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider today and experience the thrill of next-level gaming.